Hey guys! Welcome to Ched's Culinary Club. So today we're going to be making Ube Pandesal with real ube. So we're going to show you how to make it at the comforts of your own homes. So we will be needing ube, coconut milk, eggs, flour, butter, ube flavoring, sugar, salt, yeast, cheese, and breadcrumbs. In a bowl, pour 3/4 of the flour and mix in salt and yeast. Set aside. In another bowl, mix coconut milk, ube, add in the eggs, ube flavoring, and the sugar. Mix well until blended. Pour the ube mixture over the flour. And blend well until incorporated. Once most of the flour is mixed, add in the butter. Add in the rest of the flour and continue kneading until it forms into a ball. Grease the bowl with oil and place the dough in. Cover with plastic or cloth. Proof for an hour and a half. Punch the dough to remove any air bubbles. Continue kneading until smooth. Divide the dough in half using a knife or dough slicer. Roll the other half and divide it into equal pieces. Roll each piece into a ball. and repeat with the other half. Flatten a ball and place the cheese at the center. Fold the sides of the dough, enclosing the cheese inside. Form it again into a ball and roll in the breadcrumbs, completely covering all sides. Arrange the pieces on a baking sheet with some space in between. Leave them to rise for another 30 minutes. Bake the pandesal for 20 minutes in a preheated 325 degrees Fahrenheit oven. Once it is slightly brown, remove from the oven and let cool for a few minutes. This is best served while hot. Enjoy! You can check the full recipe down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!